Hello, everyone, and welcome to our meditation practice for week 1. I remind you that before your meditation practice, it's good to do the exercises to stretch your legs and to move your body. Ideally, you want to do a full yoga practice. So I invite you to close your eyes. Deep inhale all the way in. Big exhale to the mouth. One more time in. Long exhale. We start by activating our mudras with your hands and your fingers. So the thumb touches the pointing finger and both palms are facing up, both hands on your knees. Making sure your back is straight, shoulders relaxed, the neck is long, the crown of your head is straight into the center of the universe. Bringing your gaze with your eyes closed to the third eye. And the tip of the tongue will go up to the soft palate. Deep inhale in the nose. Through the nose, we exhale, becoming aware of your senses, starting with the sounds around you. Observe the sounds, becoming aware of the smells, the smell of your room, observing the taste in your mouth, and the sensations in your body. Can you feel the floor or the chair? The sensations of your hands, on your knees. Now we observe the mind. Any thoughts that are present right now, any memories, any judgments about this moment. I invite you to observe the mind without engaging on any thoughts. Now we focus on the breath. Observing the air going in the nose, and then observing the air going out the nose. Keep your awareness on the air going in the nose and the air going out the nose. Observe your chest or your belly moving with the breath. And if our mind is busy at the moment, I invite you to acknowledge that and then bring your awareness back to the breath. Every time you become aware that your mind is thinking about something else, bring your awareness back to the breath. Keep observing the sensations of the air going in and out. We maintain our mudras, our hands position, the tip of the tongue on the roof of the palate, and you gaze with your eyes closed between your eyebrows and up. Stay with the breath. There is nothing to do right now. There is nowhere to go but staying here in full presence with yourself and bringing all your attention to the breath. It is normal for the mind to get busy and find some distractions. It's normal for your mind to start thinking about something. When you become aware of your mind doing what it does, acknowledge that and then bring your awareness back to the breath. You can visualize with your eyes into your third eye like a purple dot and stay there. Keep observing your breath as you visualize these purple dots between your eyebrows in your third eye. There is nothing to do. There is nowhere to go. We just stay with the breath and full presence. When you're ready, release your mudras. With your eyes closed, bring both palms together to the center of the heart. We give thanks and we bring gratitude for all the beauty in our lives, for the things we take for granted, for the people that surround us. Deep inhale all the way in. Big exhale. With your eyes closed, we say Namaste. You can relax your hands in your lap. You can stay here in meditation for as long as you want, repeating the process. Otherwise, you can open your eyes. Keep repeating this practice every morning, perhaps 2 or 3 times a day, to find stillness and peace. Om Namah Shivaya.